Unlocking seamless connectivity starts with a tiny piece of plastic, your SIM card. Today, we're diving into the simple yet crucial process of inserting and removing your SIM card from any Android phone, ensuring you do it right every single time. First, locate your SIM card tray. This is usually found on the side of your phone. For trays with a tiny pinhole, you'll need a SIM card ejection tool, which often comes with your phone, or a straightened paperclip. Gently insert the tool straight into the pinhole. Apply light, steady pressure. You'll feel a slight click as the tray pops open. Carefully slide the tray all the way out. Avoid forcing it. Some phones might have a dual SIM tray, allowing you to insert two SIM cards or one SIM and a micro card. Now, take your SIM card. Notice the tiny notch in one corner. Match this notch to the corresponding cutout on the SIM card tray. To ensure it sits incorrectly, it only fits one way. Ensure the SIM card is snug and flush with the tray. Once positioned, it shouldn't wiggle around. Gently slide the tray back into the phone until it clicks into place. Make sure it's fully seated and flush with the side of the phone. Don't push too hard. Once inserted, your phone should automatically detect the SIM and display a signal strength icon. If not, a quick restart might be all it needs. To remove your SIM card, the process is the same in reverse. Locate the pinhole, insert your ejection tool or paperclip, and gently push until the tray ejects. With the tray out, carefully lift the SIM card. Handle it by the edges to avoid touching the gold contacts, which can cause damage or data corruption. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the world of SIM card insertion and removal. Remember, patience and gentle handling are key to keeping your Android phone and SIM card in tip-top shape.